Hello beauties, your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. I promise it won't hurt.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, so I already started on this side. I just made two parts. One part, rubber banded, twisted it up. Rubber band one part, twisted it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna continue that along the rest of this area. I was gonna make them smaller, but I decided to make them bigger, my sections. I don't know, I just think it looks better bigger for me. And I don't want to just do too much with my hair. You guys know I like to be minimal if I can. So that's 1, 2. I think this is just going to be 4 sections of hair. So this one. So then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to rubber band this section. I'm only using a little bit of what's it called? Shea Moisture's what is it called? I'm not using the Strength and Grow Edge treatment on my hair. It's not really like a hold or anything, but I have been using gel in my hair so much that I really don't want to use gel, so I'm trying to stay away from using gel. But I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna rubber band this one section up. Alright, and now that that section is rubber band, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to connect this section to this hair at the base. And I'm going to rubber band that in place at the base here. Turn. Okay. So then I'm just going to take the same thing and I'm just going to twist this part up. And then I'm going to do the last section. Then I'm going to take this section and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull it down and I'm going to connect it to this ponytail. Okay, and then once that connected, I'm just going to twist this up at the end. And then I can just take this section and tuck it back into my puff or whatnot. So this is just like the little middle piece, like banded piece across. And then what now I'm going to do is that I'm just going to actually go back in and kind of like fix these little sections here that are out. I'm just going to take them and wrap them into other pieces of twist so that the rest of my hair can kind of set. This is me just freelancing with hair, you guys, just trying something different. So what I'm also going to do is, because once I take these out, I'm not going to really be able to see this middle piece. So I'm going to go ahead and take my metal clips and I'm going to put them in now before I do anything else. So I have my little clamps in my hair, and this is just so I don't have to do it after I set everything, and when I take it down it's already good to go. So I'm gonna let everything set as far as like my twists in the back. I'm gonna let them finish setting before I take them out, and I'll be back in a little bit to take this down and show you guys the final result, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I'm back to show you guys the results of my hair. So let's go ahead and let's take this off. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of fluff this back portion at the root using a pick. For my bangs, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna unravel the bang area. And then I'm just gonna go in and continue to shape the hair. Try to get it to look a little bit more shapely. I'm not really feeling my bangs too much, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like kind of tweak this. I just think my bangs are not really as defined as I want them to be, so I'm going to do something that's gonna actually change up the style a little bit, but it's still gonna give me the option of wearing bangs. So I'm not gonna rubber band this section or anything. I'm just going to take this section and I'm going to 2-strand twist it. I'm going to 2-strand twist this bad boy. And I'm just applying a little bit more of my leave-in conditioner to the hair. Just gonna twist this down. And then I'm going to actually twist up this section in the twist. So, and I'm not using any gel or anything, you guys, so that's another thing as well to keep in mind. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm going to twist it into the other one. So I'm gonna twist them together, and then I am just going to go ahead, take this and put it to the back. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bobby pin it as well. And then to give it a little bit more style in the front, I'm going to add some more of my clamps. Like right here will be cute, like right in between, like right there. And you can do, I could do another one actually right here, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Just another quick hairstyle that I like to do. Something that I'm not doing too much with my hair, because you guys know I don't like to do too much with my hair. So it's just a little quick style that you can do to kind of give your hair some style, but yeah, it's nothing that's like doing too much or anything. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.